All right, I have another little item I got off Amazon. These are little adapters, and most of your newer cars now, and like in my Cybertruck, there is USB-C ports. And what I usually do, like one of my phones is USB-C, and the other one is Lightning because I have an older phone and a newer phone. And I have two USB-C connectors coming out, so I have two USB-C charge cords. And so instead of buying a different cord, because I actually have my daughter has a couple of devices and things that record or charge off a USB-C, and it's nice to have all those extra plug-ins. Well, I just found these. These are lightning adapters to USB-C. So if you have a USB-C cord and basically you don't want to, change it out, and you want the ability to have both, it comes in a little package, and there's like, how many is there? There's one, two. You can buy like two or four or three or whatever, but they're only like $5, and they come with this little rubber lanyard. See that rubber lanyard, and you can put it around the adapter, and then on your cord you can just simply put it around the cord that you're adapting, and so that way it kind of just hangs out, and anytime you want to use it, it's right there. Or you can loop it around as well, and if you want to tighten it up, so you can put it through itself and attach it that way. Now I get it all twisted up. So if I can do this, put it through itself like a slip knot, and then put your cable through there and then tighten it up. And even has like a little um, catch point. So once you tighten it up, it won't come out. So boom, right there. And then you stick your adapter in there like so, and then you have it there all the time, and it's adjustable too, so you can just slide it up or down wherever you want it, and then whenever you need it, you just boom, and that'll fit in all your older iPhones. I thought it was cool. It's just an easy, cheap way to get around charging cables, and instead of having all these different cables, you can just have a little adapter. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a pretty inexpensive little adapter that I think everyone should have, and there's like 4 of them, so you can put them on a bunch of different cords. All right, that's all I have, and I'll see you on the next one.